Hello students, today we will start the continuation of Unit 5 of your English Reader of class 10th. Okay, here is simple, compound and complex sentences. About that, here some problems are given. So firstly we learn what is the simple, compound and complex sentence. Okay, so what is the simple sentence? In your previous classes you have also, I have also um, explained about that. Okay, simple sentence, that has a sentence consisting of any one clause with a single subject and predicate is called simple sentence. For example, you see here, number one, I arrived there at 9 o'clock. Okay, here is a one subject and predicate. And the second one, the examination began at 9:30 a.m. Both are the simple sentence because each has a single verb, single subject and predicate also. So you can see here the next, both this sentence are simple sentence. Okay, and next one is a compound sentence. What is the meaning of that? Compound, that means in Hindi संयुक्त वाक्य. You also learn in a Hindi language. Okay, the compound sentence, at least when at least two simple sentences are we can say independent clause joined together with a coordinating conjunction such as for, and, but, or, so, etc. is called a compound sentence. Okay, and in compound sentence each clause can stand on their own and each have equal importance. Okay, each have equal importance. Here the sentence is I arrived. For example is I arrived at 9 o'clock and the examination began at 9:30 a.m. Here the two simple sentences, I arrived there at 9 o'clock, and second one is the examination began at 9:30 a.m. because this both are the simple sentence. And what is the compound sentence? When two, here explain here, when two both of है ना, when two simple sentences are combined together with the conjunction, coordinating conjunction, that type of sentence is called the compound sentence, and both of them can stand on their own and therefore independence clauses. Okay, so here when we combine it both the sentences with the in and conjunction, that time this part is known as clause, and second one, this part is also known as a clause. Okay, in ninth class you have learned what is the clause. Okay, you know very well. So here I arrived at 9 o'clock and the examination began at 9:30 a.m. and both the sentence has their own meaning and have a equal importance. Okay, so the two simple sentences have been joined together with coordinating conjunction, and in this compound sentence the two clauses have equal importance. Okay, so the next complex sentence, about the complex sentence, a sentence that contains an independent clause. An independent clause are and one or more dependent clause, one independent clause and one or more in dependent clause is called complex sentence. In a sentence has a one independent clause and one or more than dependent clause, that is known as the complex sentence. In other words, we can say when two simple sentences are combined together and one of them is part of another sentence, this combination is known as the complex sentence. Okay, so here two sentences are given Example, I arrived there at 9 o'clock, and second one is the she knows it. The first sentence is I arrived there at 9 o'clock, and second one is the she knows it. Okay, so what is the complex sentence? What will be? She knows that. She knows, we combine with that. She knows that I arrived there at 9 o'clock. She knows that I arrived there at 9 o'clock. Okay, so here the both sentences are part of one another. Okay, so this is a complex sentence. Okay, here the two simple sentences are combined to the form of following complex sentences like that. I arrived there 9 o'clock has been made of part of the sentence and she knows it, and therefore both these sentences don't have equal importance. Okay, she knows is the main principal principal or independent clause, and I arrived there at 9 o'clock is the subordinating or dependent clause. First one is the main clause and second clause is the dependent, or it is known as the subordinating clause. Okay, so here when two simple sentences are combined together and each one of them is part of another, so this combination is known as the complex sentences. Okay, so here the question number 6 in a page number 171, you can see in your English reader book. Okay, identify the simple, compound and complex sentences. Okay, so here the first one. Okay students, thank you.